Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for y'all. Look, I found a bunch of these t-shirts yesterday on clearance at Walmart for $2. I only bought 3 because your girl don't need I don't need no tank tops, t-shirts, sports bras. I don't need none of that kind of stuff. I got a gazillion at home, a gazillion. But I was like, ooh, but they're new. The only thing I don't like is they're not biker back, but at the same time you can wear them with like biker back sports bras and then the regular ones as well. And so I guess that's why I like them, because they are different and they're new. And so anyway, so check your storage for that. Also check your storage for backpacks. They had some for 2 and 3. And then the razors, check that section. And then also check the oral care toothbrushes, and yeah, check that too. So as far as today, y'all, I need 18 offers for $5 from my midweek. I also have the larger one that I'm tracking for as well too. I think I'm more than halfway through that, so I'm actually gonna probably hit that. And I actually like when Ibotta give you a bonus you can actually get. Like, they just be putting bonuses out there and they just be nothing but false hopes and wishes, and you be wishing, you know. But this one here, I actually think I might hit this. Went to Dollar General and did this deal as well. It'll be in the doc, but if you ain't trying to look at the doc, I did the Tyson Fast Bites. They're $5 each. I grabbed 4, paid 20, got back 12 on Easy Bucks, and got back 5 on Checkout 51. So made them like 75 cents each, which is awesome. Now let me mention this real quick. When it comes to submitting receipts, I told y'all I normally do Checkout 51 and wait for it to clear. That's just how I do it. That's just what works for me. It works for Shay. All right. I do Checkout 51 first. I wait for it to clear. Now, the only exception to that rule is if the value of the rebate on like the sister app is more. And so like with those fast bites, the offer on Easy Bucks was $6. So why would I submit Checkout 51 first? If something happens and the ball gets fumbled and Checkout 51 say, you know, yes, and I don't know, Easy Bucks say no, then I'm gonna be like, dang, that's not how it's supposed to go. So I always do, if the value on the sister apps being Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, Easy Bucks are Upromise, I always do that one first. Then I do Checkout 51. Upromise is, it's like a savings plan for like your kid if you want to save for college for them. So you do have to link a bank account for them. And it's just another sister app, basically. You have to link it, and the thing with that one is they only let you cash out the first week of each month. So those are the differences. You know, you can't just cash out whenever you want to, and you have to link your bank account. So of course I'll have a link in the description if that's something that you want to do. With that being said, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, y'all. So I'm finally doing the Jimmy Dean deal. It's priced at $5.22 for this. You want to grab 2, but your girl is a greedy butt, so she grabbed 4. All right, so grabbing 2, the total is going to come to $10.44, getting back $6.50 on Upromise, and a total of $2.50 back on Checkout 51 brings them down to only 72 cents each. And like I said, I maxed it out and grabbed 4. Tell me y'all tired of seeing this Black Forest maple honey. Is that it? No, that's not it. That's not the one you want. The one you want, I think it's a little darker than that. Oh, yep. It's darker. There it is right there. That's ham. This is the turkey. You want the maple honey coated turkey breast. And I feel like I've been eating that every day. So the offer on the sister apps is 1 pound, get back 6. Or get a half pound, get back, I want to say $2.50. Now, one of you guys commented on my last, I think it was a community post, to get 2 halves. And so I said, oh my God, why didn't I think of that first? And so I did this deal yesterday. For the turkey breast is priced at $6.44. So for this, you're going to get 2 halves. All right. The 2 halves that I ended up getting was $3.34 and $3.50. So I paid $6.84. I submitted on Upromise first because the offer is higher, getting back $6. And then I submitted on Checkout 51 and got back a total of $2.30 for each one. So I got back $4.60. So it makes a pound, well, a little over a pound, a $3.76 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the GoMacros. If you know me, you know this is one of my favorite This is one of my favorite protein bars. I would check in store because I know I saw these here, and then online it said they didn't have them. And this particular store does have them. They're priced at $8.76, which is awesome because they're cheaper than they are at Target. And so we're gonna grab one at $8.76. You'll get back a free offer through Sample. I'll have a link in the description. I saw My Best Deals post this on her community tab yesterday. And then we're getting back 50 cents. Well, I have 50 cents on Ibotta. I know a lot of people that had $3 would have been nice, but hey, free is free. Free is for me. 50-cent moneymaker. Hey, whatever. It is what it is. And so it's going to make this a 50-cent moneymaker. All right. So this next deal here is on the Silk Kids. I saw Romy Saves over on Instagram post this deal. These are priced at $4.67. We're grabbing 3 of them. Our total is going to come to $14.01. And then we're going to be submitting for 2 different rebates. Well, we'll get back $3 for each on Ibotta, of course. We'll also submit for 2 different rebate offers. One is spend 10, get back 5. And the other is buy 2, get back 5. And so it's gonna basically make all 3 of these free plus a $4.99. So next deal is on the A&D. Now, I got another offer for aisle. It's $2 back when you buy the Treat and Heal, the Overnight Healing, and I believe the other one is the Prevent and Heal right here. So you go get either one of those. We're grabbing this one here. It's priced at $5.74. You're going to submit on aisle for $2 back. We'll also be getting back $2.74 on Ibotta. It'll bring that down to only $1. The other item I'm going to grab, this offer did reset on Ibotta, but right now, I don't know. I have 2 different offers. Well, they're not different. They're the same, but I have 2 offers for $3.50 back when you buy one with a limit of 5. Now, I grabbed 3 because all they have left is 3. And so we're going to grab one at $7.32. We'll get back both offers on Ibotta, which will give us back 7, making it 32 cents with a limit of 5. Again, I'm just going to grab the 3 they have. Now, we do have offers on aisle. It's 50% back. So if you haven't did that one yet, if I remember, I'll put a link in the description. It'll make it a moneymaker for you. So this next deal is on the Airwick. It's only a limit of 1, so sad face, right? And so we have an offer on Ibotta for $3 back, and it is working on the kits. So they have the fresh linen one as well as the lavender one at $3.97. Getting back 3 on Ibotta brings them down to only 97 cents each, which is pretty awesome. Now, of course, your girl's doing it for Walmart rewards as well because it's such a great deal. Like, why not? And so I'm going to end up getting 2 of them for less than $2, which is definitely awesome. Really quick, this is a be on the lookout for hang tag. $2 off of any dryer sheet. It comes with this little sample, and it's good till the end of the year. And it doesn't specify a size, so $2 off. Let's go see how much they are. So if you grab this one here, it's the 80 count. It's priced at $3.74. If you use a $2 hang tag, you'll pay $1.74. You'll get back 75 cents on Ibotta, so it makes it only 99 cents, which is definitely not bad. All right, so yeah. Okay, guys, so this next deal is on the Dawn. We went over this in my last video. Now, when I did that video, I wanted to use the P&G gift card because I've never used them. And I just recently started scanning my receipts for P&G to redeem for gift cards. And I have one that I've had for like a couple weeks now. And so, in My Best Deals, she hit me up yesterday to ask me if that gift card would stack with, you know, Walmart rewards. Walmart rewards particularly because right now there's not a lot of P&G offers on Ibotta, but they are on the Walmart app. So I thought I would give it a try. I already did because your girl's impatient. Hello. And it does work. So we're going to grab 2 of these Dawns at $4.14. The offer for Walmart rewards is buy 2, get back 4. And so 2 is going to be, what is that? $8.28. Now I did scan the gift card that I got. It took off 5, which is awesome. It'll bring the total down to you paying $3.24, and then you'll get back 4 in Walmart rewards, which I did, which was awesome, making them both free plus a 76-cent moneymaker. So yeah, you can stack the P&G gift cards with Walmart rewards. Let me show you my receipt real quick. Now I added the A&D on there too because um, I was using the active reward gift cards and I had one for $10. So I try to get as close to 10 with those as I can, and I always add them to my Walmart app. And so with this, my total came to 10.11. I put 11 cents in there and then use Walmart rewards where my gift card is at. And yeah, and so yeah, but it did work, which is awesome. If you haven't had a chance to do the Arm & Hammer deal, you probably should, because guess what? He's on a manager special. Bam. Price at $3.48. I've been using the $2 coupon. One of you guys asked me where I got it from. I got it from IP's dot on tap on Instagram. And I absolutely love her, and her sets are sets of 18. And at first I was like, that's a lot of IPs. I don't think I'm using them all, but she only charged you $1. And I did that. This is my last three. Okay. This is my last three. And so grabbing one, price at $3.48. Using the $2 coupon. I use these in self-checkout. They scan perfectly fine. They'll pay $148, get back 2 on Ibotta. We'll make this a 52-cent moneymaker for each one, limit of 3. Now, I'm pretty sure mine is going to reset, so I think I'm going to grab another set on a separate receipt. And if it resets, we'll submit that receipt. If not, we'll just bring them back. So yeah. All right, so listen, I don't have the offers on the sister apps anymore, obviously. But one of you guys said you saw these at another store for $2.50, and I found them at the other store. They only had 2, so I grabbed the 2 they had. I paid $5, and then I submitted on Walmart rewards because that's the only place that I had it at, making them only 50 cents each. Guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. This worked out really good. Super excited about this haul. We have a lot of food, snacky stuff, which is really cool. Yeah, this was an awesome haul. Of course, I hit my bonus. I'm super, super close to the larger one. For the antimicrobial one, that one, I had 2 different offers on Ibotta. They were both for $3.50. And when I submitted my receipt, it looked like it was only picking up one of them. And so I had to debate, should I process it or not? Because if I process it and I only get credit for one offer, then I'm going to feel some type of way and I'm probably going to return it. I'm not going to front. But I went ahead and just processed it and figured, okay, we'll just see what happens. But when it processed, it actually picked up both offers ×3, which is really cool. With Isle, I already got back the $2 on that treat and heal one, and I already got back the $2 on the berry. The berry light I didn't mention. That's $3 and I want to say 74 cents. And I had a $2 offer on Isle, $1.25 back on Ibotta. I think it made it like 21 cents. The CoverGirl, found that on clearance, $2 back on Tada, and then $2 back on Checkout 51. I only grabbed that because I was super, super close. Well, I've been super, super close to cashing out on Tada for a while, and that's what I needed to get me there. I also grabbed the Dove. They had this yesterday for $8. You can see it through. And then today when I went, they marked it for $6. Got back 5 when I bought it. So I figured that was a great deal on that. And then the turkey, these are the 2 half-pounds that I got. Now with that deal, I submitted that on Upromise first because I was getting back $6 for the 2. It went into review, and then I submitted the receipt on Checkout 51. Checkout 51 didn't clear till dark in the morning. It cleared early this morning, probably around like maybe 3. It cleared yesterday for Upromise, so it actually cleared there first, which is cool. And so that deal worked out really, really awesome. Checkout 51, I did get back the $2.30 ×2, and then Upromise, we got back $6. Other than that, I think I covered everything else. As far as Walmart rewards today, everything worked out. I got back everything for Walmart rewards. The 4 for the Dawn, we got back 4 for the Colgate, 3 for the Airwick. Yeah, that was perfect. I did do an Airwick and 3 of the Arm & Hammer on a separate receipt because I thought it might reset, because I didn't want to have to go back to the store if I didn't have to. And I probably will start doing that in the future again, rather than try to find other items. Just do something on a separate receipt, and if it resets, submit that receipt. If not, just return it. The Airwick did not reset, so I'll be taking that one back. Well, it's in the other room. That one of those was for Walmart Rewards and one was for Ibotta. But I did hit my bonus. I'm super, super close to hitting the larger one. And so, yeah, I think that's basically it. These are all my receipts. I always have a ton of receipts, right, y'all? And so I'm going to try to make this quick, all right? So everything you see here retails $166.58. We had $18 in coupons. That was $5 for the Dawn, $2 for each of the Arm & Hammers, and $1 for the Purely Elizabeth at Target. That coupon did not scan, though. She price modified the item to $5.49, and I am still waiting to get paid for the granola from my last video, as well as this one. I was really hoping it would hit either yesterday or today, but it didn't, so hopefully it hits tomorrow, because I don't have any of the offers on there anymore as of now. And so I think that basically covers it. All right, and so everything you see here, again, retails $166.58. We had 18 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $148.58. My sales tax was $6.84. I'm getting back $59.49 from Ibotta. Flavor Wiki should be $19. Now, I don't know if I'll get back the extra one for the new trail. I had two for $8. I'll let you know if I get credit for the second one. Checkout 51 is $16. Upromise is $13. Easy Bucks was $12. Walmart Rewards, $11. Brand Club was $10.90. Sample was $8.76. PayPal was $7.98. IO was $4. And last but not least was Tada at $2. Getting back a total of $174.13 back makes everything you see here free, plus a $25.55 moneymaker, which is really, really awesome. I don't know why I'm so excited to try these. They look cheap though, but I don't know. I figure if you need a hot snack, then they might be good. I don't know. So I'm excited about this haul. This worked out really good. We have a lot of food, which is awesome. I'm happy about the Dawn. I'm happy about the GoMacros for sure. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, don't forget to smash the like button. If you made it to the end, look, I appreciate you. I love you long, long, long time. Definitely like the video if you made it to this point. And so with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.